In this short segment, I'm gonna show you how to get your jingly bingly hey ho Christmas spirit up and do fantastic things using nothing less but IFTTT.
So I'm just picking up this little competition that IFTTT started around creating a recipe which features IFTTT Pro features. It's creative, festive, etc. You be the judge what it actually will look like. If you just look at the design of the flow or the recipe, it's called an IFTTT, is there will be a time trigger starting at a certain time of the day. A code will be applied which has the power to amend the properties of all the different elements of the flow, and a rich notification will be sent out which arrives with your mobile app available for Android or iOS. This is the IFTTT app, the official one. For good measure, I just added another step for changing colors for your light device. I'm not showing this, but you can trust this works, and it only works because this is the pro version of IFTTT.com, allowing you to have more than 2 steps and filters and queries. So the message you will receive via the IFTTT app looks pretty much like this. And how this actually all works internally. Here's the complete recipe, is like this. So here are all the properties of this whole flow that I've just shown to you. Really interesting, of course, is the filter code section, because here are all the different pointers to the different sound files we'll send out, because these rich notifications come with a link, and this link will actually point to a sound file. And we'll randomly select the sound file, we'll construct the URL, it will only run during December, and this is pretty much it. I will show you in a second what this actually looks like, and I will make this code available as well. Even more important, I will make all these sound files available to you and your own flow, so you can have fun with it.
Wahahaha. The Christmas time is so sweet it makes me cry. All night long. Hey, did you know Google App Engine offers a forever free tier for application builders? And all the cloud platforms give you millions of free serverless function calls. If this is no festive news, I would not know what is. Jingle jingle ho ho ho, Merry Christmas, yay.